Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm at Hereford again. There's been some trains crossing, and I was not expecting this class 150 270 on lease from Northern, and it's Transport for Wales going, I think, I don't know, it might be going to my stag. I really don't know. My phone's not focusing. Again. There was that one. Was not expecting that 150. Just expecting another normal Transport for Wales one. But yeah. Departing now. We have double 170 to Birmingham New Street. 17501 and 17502 to Birmingham New Street. So, yeah. So that one's calling at Ledbury, Colwell, Great Malvern, Malvern Link, Worcester Foregate Street, Droitwich Spa, Bromsgrove, University in Birmingham New Street. And I think that 150 there was going Abergavenny, Pontypool and Newing, Cwmbran, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Neath, Port Talbot Parkway. What else? What else is there? I forgot. When you're put on the spot, you forget everything. So Abergavenny, Pontypool and Newing, Cwmbran, Pontypool and Newing, Cwmbran, Newport, Cardiff Central, Bridgend, Neath, Port Talbot Parkway.
All of our trains and stations are no smoking areas.
Here we go again. I've forgotten all the stops again. I didn't see that. Okay, so now arriving, we have an 800 from London Paddington. I actually didn't see that come in. I was just checking the boards. So yeah. (802.019) terminating in from London Paddington. Going out there we have 802.019 going to the Hereford diesel sidings. From Hereford to Hereford diesel sidings, so it's going to go Hereford diesel sidings to Hereford. There, there's 802.019. So yeah, there goes that one. Slowing down quite a bit there. But yeah, there's that one. Now we have 175.109 to Manchester Piccadilly. Oh, windy here now. I've changed everything back to 2 on purpose because it's something I really want to record. Now we have 175.009 going to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Leominster, Ludlow, Craven Arms might be stopping at Church Street, I'm not sure. Shrewsbury, Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. Oh no, where's that London going? What's that London train doing then? Oh, great. There's that one. Okay, so now arriving, we have the train that I wanted to record. 82 something, and the Mark 4s, and then 67017 on the back. I like this train a lot. First class should be at the front then. And I'm not getting on very sadly, but here's this one. Is this one? No, it's that first. It's here. This train will be the first class, but it might be the next carriage on. See the doors opening. So Nada. Oh, he's missed it. Oh. Right. So now we have 82229 and 67017 with Mark 4 carriages. What's also arriving is the 802, but first class is at the back on this. Hang on, is this one even in first class? Oh. There's 67017 and also coming in 802. Ooh, wow. 019. So this train's going to London Paddington. But so this one's coming in from the Hereford sidings, terminating here. And once it's actually stopped, it will form the service to London Paddington, calling at Ledbury, Colwell, Great Malvern, Malvern Link, Worcester Foregate Street, Worcester Shrub Hill, Worcestershire Parkway, Pershaw, Evesham, Honeybourne, Morston in Marsh, Kingham, Charlbury, Hanborough, Oxford, Reading, Slough, London Paddington. I think that that's the order of the stations. I'm not too sure, though. I'm not too sure whether that's actually the order of the stations, but I think it might be Ledbury, Colwell, Great Malvern, Malvern Link, Worcester Foregate Street, Worcester Shrub Hill, Worcestershire Parkway, Pershaw, Evesham, Kingham, Charlbury, Kingham, Charlbury, Morston in Marsh, Pershaw, Evesham, Morston in Marsh, Kingham, Charlbury, Hanborough, Oxford, Reading, Slough, London Paddington. I think that's it anyway. I can actually see it coming through now. So now terminating in, we have the 13 something from London, from Birmingham New Street. Hang on, it is coming in on platform 1, yeah? Yes, there we are. So yeah, here's this one. Well, these two coupled up together. We have 172007 and 1722 something. No, it is -0. It's 006, I think that said. Did that say 006? Yeah, 006 I think, or 016 or something. Here's this one. That lift was really, really, really slow. I missed recording that train going out, so I'm very sorry about that. Shut up, announcements. I'm just trying to talk to my viewers. That's the South Wales, that's the Transport for Wales network map, so I'm just going to say that, let's do it on that, because I'm currently outside the station, so, the lift was 5,000 years later, after 777 attempts, finally, right, so, basically, first of all, actually that's the only thing I was going to say, so, I forgot. So basically, yeah, the lift was the slowest thing on this planet Earth. Slowest thing on this planet Earth it was. Very slow. So yeah, we had to, as soon as I got down, the train was already gone past the corner. So, yeah, I kind of missed the opportunity to record that. Yeah. Yeah, there were literally no more trains until like 2 minutes to 4. I'm not waiting that long to record a train, so because I'm currently in the station car park as well. So, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, remember to like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Goodbye.